If you are starting a new YouTube channel and want to create a clean intro for your channel that looks professional and also encourages viewers to subscribe, then make sure you watch this video till the end. First, let's take a look at the preview of what we are going to show you in today's full tutorial. It's going to be super easy. If you watch this video without skipping, you will be able to create this kind of intro easily in just 5 minutes. And there's a surprise for you all at the end of the video. So without wasting any time, let's dive straight in. First, you need to take a white background. After that, you will need a round shape, which you will find in this pack. It's already downloaded by default. To access it, tap on Layers, then go to Stickers. There you will find Basic Shapes. Tap on it and select the round shape from there. To change the color of the shape, select the layer and tap on Properties, then choose the black color. Now reduce the size of this shape and place it exactly at the center like this. Now you need to add your channel's logo. I will add my channel logo here. Reduce its size and fit it inside the black shape properly, just like this. Now we need to bring the logo to life, which means adding animations. For that, we will use keyframes. First, select the logo and move a little forward on the timeline. At this point, I will add a keyframe. Keep in mind that there is already a keyframe at the starting point. Now go back to the starting keyframe, increase the size of the logo, and rotate it slightly like this. You will see the animation looks something like this. To make it smoother, click on the graph icon and select this graph option. Now the motion will feel much smoother. Next, select the shape layer. Move a little forward and add one keyframe. Then go a bit further and add another keyframe. Now, I want the zoom out animation to happen first on the logo and then on the black shape. So between the first two keyframes, the shape will stay zoomed with no animation. From the second keyframe to the third keyframe, the zoom out effect will happen. To do that, we need to zoom the shape at those keyframe points like this. On the third keyframe, I won't make any changes. Here as well, select the same graph option to keep the animation smooth. Now look at it. It looks really good. Now it's time to add the text. So wherever the animation ends, place your timeline bar right there, because that's exactly where we want the text to appear. To add text, simply tap on Layer, then Text. I will type my channel name here. Now choose the text color according to your style. I will keep it black. Adjust the position properly. I will place it just below the logo. You can also tap here and change the font to anything you like. Once that's done, select the text layer, move a little forward on the timeline, and add a keyframe. The animation will happen between the starting keyframe and this one. On this keyframe, I won't change anything, but on the starting keyframe, I will slightly zoom the text like this. Now you can see the animation starting to take shape. To make it look even smoother, go to the graph option and select the same preset we used earlier. Let me play it once so you can see how it looks. The text looks a bit small, so I will increase the size slightly. Yeah, that looks much better now. And finally, just trim the extra length of the text layer. Alright, now it's time to add the out animation. And this part is really important, so listen carefully. Normally, if we add a transition directly between two clips, all our layers get messed up and the timing changes. That's because we're working with separate layers. Text, logo, and shape are all different. So what do we do instead? First, place the timeline bar exactly at this point. Now, tap on this option and select the second one, Capture and Add as Clip. This will take a screenshot of the current frame and add it as a single clip on the main timeline. Next, trim its length slightly. After that, add a plain white image, just like this, and adjust its length as well. Now, tap between these two images. From here, download this transition pack from the store. Once it's downloaded, it will appear here. Tap on it and apply this transition. And that's it. Alright, now we will add some effects to make the intro look more dynamic and alive. To add effects, go to Layers, then tap on Effects. Here you will see your downloaded effects. First, you will need to download this effects pack from the store. It's called Shake. Once it's downloaded, select this pack and add this effect. Now double tap on the frame to make it full screen. Extend its length till the point where your logo animation ends. At the end point, add a keyframe, then reduce the size of the effect and place it only on the logo, because we want this effect on the logo, not the entire screen. Now you can see the effect animating along with the logo. Next, select the effect, tap on Properties, and set the value to 600. It will look much better. Now we will add another effect called Flash. Download it, then go to Effects and add the first Flash effect. Double tap it to make it full screen. Then adjust its length and see where it looks best. After that, move a little forward and add one more effect called Chromatic Glitch. Download it and add it the same way. Keep its length very short. Check whether it looks better in full screen or only on the logo. I will keep it on the logo. Then go to Properties and reduce the strength and quality a bit. Let's add one more effect, Digital Crash. Download it and add it as well. Keep its length short. Now the only thing left is music. Add any music you like according to your style, and your intro will be completely ready. Let's play it once and check the final result. Remember I mentioned a surprise at the beginning of the video? Well, here it is. I have added the Kine file for this intro in the description below. You can download that file and customize it exactly the way you want. Open Kinemaster, tap on Create New, then click on Import and select that file. The entire edit gets imported. Now, if you want to change the logo, simply tap on the logo layer, click Replace, and select the logo you want to add. See? It's changed. In the same way, you can edit the text, tweak the effects, and customize everything according to your style. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. You can also check out my other videos. I will meet you there. Take care.